Hello, data-driven business leaders. I'm Daigo Tanaka, your technology partner for data systems design. As a business leader, when you are working with the data engineers, you may have heard mysterious terms like data warehouse, data lake, and data mart. It can be confusing to understand the differences and how they impact your business. In this video, I want to demystify these three concepts and help you understand their relevance to your organization. Let's start with the data lake. Data lake is a large storage repository that can hold vast amounts of raw and unstructured data in its native format. This flexibility allows you to store any types of data, text, images, videos, and more until you are ready to process and analyze it. For example, imagine your company collects a vast amount of raw data from different sources, including custom transaction records, sensor data, images, and videos. A data lake allows you to store all this data in its native format until you are ready to analyze it. This is particularly useful for organizations that need to keep large volumes of diverse data for future use without the need for immediate processing. Next, we have the data warehouse. The data warehouse stores data in a structured format and serves as the central repository for pre-processed data, optimized for analytics and business intelligence. If your organization needs to generate regular reports and insights from structured data such as sales transactions, financial records, and customer data, a data warehouse is ideal. It organizes data into tables with a predefined schema, making it easier to run fast SQL queries and derive insights. Lastly, let's talk about data marts. A data mart is essentially a smaller, specialized version of data warehouse designed to meet the needs of a specific business unit like marketing, sales, or finance. For example, a marketing department might need quick access to data related to campaign performance, customer segmentation, and social media analytics. A data mart can provide focused access to this relevant data, making it easier and faster for the team to gain insights and make strategic decisions. Moving data from data warehouse to a data mart involves tailoring the data for specific business functions. This process blends data from different sources, creating a targeted data set that is optimized for specific departmental needs. This ensures that the data is relevant, easily accessible, and secure, providing the right insights to the right people at the right time. Now let's talk about data engineering. Data engineers play a crucial role in navigating these differences to optimize your data infrastructure. They ensure that chosen data solution is cost-effective, scalable, and meets your organization's performance requirements. For instance, data lakes are ideal for storing large volumes of unprocessed data at a lower cost, whereas data warehouses are designed for fast query performance with structured data. When data moves from a data lake to data warehouse, it undergoes significant transformation. In a data lake, data is stored in its raw format, which may include duplicated rows and unstructured information. During the transition to a data warehouse, data is cleaned, formatted, and organized to ensure accuracy and reliability. This pre-processing step, often using extract, transform, load (ETL) tools, is crucial as it allows business users to rely on the data for critical decision-making without worrying about inconsistencies. So, why does this matter to your business? Each of these data storage solutions can address different business needs based on your organization's size and data complexity. For smaller organizations, starting with a data warehouse is often the best approach due to its ability to provide structured, reliable data for decision making. To start out, I recommend not considering a data lake unless your organization has internal data engineering resources to handle the added complexity and you have a very big data size requirements that reach petabytes scale, for example. Make the organization and cleanliness of the data warehouse the top priority when beginning. I recommend letting data engineers prepare the data in a data warehouse with proper engineering practices to ensure accuracy and reliability. Once the data warehouse is established, analysts with SQL skills can create purpose-built views and tables in the data mart. The data mart and data warehouse are often built with the same data warehouse, so I recommend logically separating the two groups into different datasets. To summarize, understanding the differences between a data lake, data warehouse, and data mart can help you make informed decisions about your data strategy. By choosing the right solution, you can ensure efficient data management and support your business's strategic planning. If you are unsure which data solution is right for your business, feel free to reach out for further consultation. Together, we can build a data strategy that meets your unique needs. I'm Daigo Tanaka. Thank you for watching.